Good morning, students. It's a video of computer subject for class 10th, and today's topic is e-banking. E-banking stand for in electronic banking. Okay. In this video, we will do the discussion about e-banking, what the requirement of e-banking, and what the benefit of e-banking. Okay. Let's start. Electronic banking is an umbrella term for process by which a customer may perform banking transaction electronically without visiting a brick and mortar institute. The following term all refer to one form or another of electronic banking: personal computer banking, internet banking, virtual banking, online banking, home banking, remote electronic banking, and phone banking. PC banking and internet or online banking are the most frequently used designation. It should be noted, however, that term used to describe the various type of electronic banking are often used interchangeable. Means e-banking is e-banking just like an umbrella where all the transactions are performed with the electronically without visiting the uh, branch of bank. And we can perform the electronic banking. We have lot of options like personal computer banking, internet banking, virtual banking, online banking, home banking, remote electronic banking, and phone banking. Okay. And all of them, PC banking or online banking, are the most used used options in current time. Okay. And current time most of peoples are use the internet banking and PC banking, mobile banking. With e-banking we can perform all the payment without visiting the branches of bank, and we can pay all amount, all payment with the help of e-banking. Okay. And some popular e-bankings are, and first one is PC banking. PC banking is a form of online banking that enable customer to execute bank transaction from a PC via modem. In most PC banking venture, the bank offered the customer a proprietary financial software program that allow the customer to perform financial transaction from his or her home computer. The customer then dial into the bank with his or her modem, download data, run the program that resides on the customer's computer as per the requirement of financial transaction. In the PC banking, a customer get the software from the banking, and that software he execute in his computer. After that he are that customer are able to perform all the transaction with his PC at your home, at your home. Okay. And in the PC banking, one is most important thing is you have also facility of modem means any device which are connect your PC with your uh, internet. Okay. Next one is internet banking. Internet banking, sometime called online banking use the internet as a delivery channel why we conduct banking activity, for example transaction fund, paying bill, viewing checks, saving account balance, paying mortgages and purchasing financial instruments and certificate of deposit. An internet banking customer accesses his or her account from a web browser software that run internet banking program resident on the bank's worldwide web server, not on the PC users. Internet bank are also known as virtual cyber and net interactive and web bank. Okay, in the internet banking, and we can also call the online banking, be customer doesn't have any software in his PC. In this form, uh, customer open his web browser. After that he connect the server of bank, and that software run on the www server. Okay, www server, and all the transaction performed with the help of web browsers. Okay, like transferring fund with the help of internet banking, we can transfer the fund, paying bill, viewing checks, and saving account balance, and purchasing financial instruments. Okay, and certificate of deposit. Okay, if you deposit any amount for any transaction, any you on that condition you also got the certificate of that amount. Okay, next one is mobile banking. Mobile banking is a wireless internet-based service that allow one to use banking services safety and conveniently use a mobile device like mobile phone or tablet. Mobile banking provide access to the most popular internet banking feature and services. And third option of e-banking is mobile banking. With the help of e-banking is a wireless internet-based services. Means in the mobile network we are not record any wire. uh, all the transactions are performed with the help of mobile, and mobile are also provide all the facility which are mobile provide all the facility which are provided by the internet banking. Okay, but main difference is here internet banking are performed with the help of any on the web browser, and but in case of mobile banking all the transaction performed with the mobile with any app. Okay, this is the main difference, and that's all for today. And thank you all the student. If you want PDF of this video, you can download PDF. You will get the PDF link below the this video. Okay, thank you.